Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's good, that's good, that's good. Holy cow, dude, this is crazy. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm excited to be outside and I'm just getting off the water after a much needed fun day of river fishing. The temperature out here got really warm for an early February day, and I got on a good bite using the bluegrass bug. That's right. I'll go over all my setup, everything I had, and how I was using it at the end. Here we go. Yes, sir. Well, it's taking a little while to get our first fish today. Little black bluegrass bug. I've been coming up the stream. The water's been low, so I've been able to paddle up it. I saw a spotted bass, first fish I saw, and then I catch a smallmouth. So they're up a little bit further up in the current at the headwaters of this deep pool. So that's a thick little guy. Hopefully we get a couple more today. Man, it feels good. Something had all of it. Got it. There it is. Number 2. Little spotted bass. Yeah, work out things slow. Hey, you'll take another spotted bass. I didn't catch any more fish upstream. Came all the way back down. I picked up 2 of them pretty quick here. Trying to just fish that thing really slow there. Come on. Oh, there's a couple of them there. One of them bit it and let go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice large mouth right there. Just working that thing slow up this bank. Nice large mouth right there. Pick that thing up. 15 3/4. That's a good fish. Oh! I watched the fish eat it and open it back its mouth up and let it go. There's another one down there. Oh, there's three. There's a bunch of them down here. I watched him bite it and let it go. There's 3 of them, 4 of them looking at it. They're sitting right here. I watched him just like taste it and let it go real quick. All right, let's try to get it up ahead of him a little bit. There's definitely a bunch of fish right here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's good, that's a good one, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh no, don't get out of that tree, he went. Oh, that's a good fish. He's getting me in a tree. Oh. Golly, this thing's big. Oh. Dude. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's at least a 3.5 pounder right there. Dude, look how thick that thing is. Mouth closed. He's right at 18, but what a body on it. Well, it's taken me a little bit to kind of get this solved, figured out where they're at, what the fish are doing, and how to fish. But that's a 18-inch spotted bass and almost 16-inch largemouth in about 3 minutes. And it's just fishing it slow. They're through on these logs, just sitting in here. I'm just trying to work it slow. There was a bunch of small little bass on like a little log, and then it got thicker, and I threw upstream, and that's where I just caught that one. So we're gonna kind of find that log again and throw up above it. Oh. All right, here's that log. Let's try fishing down it. Gotcha. I saw that fish. And I drifted right down to that fish. I saw him sitting under that log. Yeah, the water's slowly coming up. It's a little murky and it's getting a little deeper. And maybe why they're eating a little better right now. But also it's making it a little murky where I can't see as good as I was seeing into it. Man, they're feeding good right now. Largemouth. Holy cow, dude, this is crazy. It must have been that water. It must have been that water coming up, because they were just picking it up. Oh, it's another spotted bass. Like 2 casts later. Yep, tooth patch. Beautiful. Man, I was coughing, but hooked into another one. good. I had no idea fishing was gonna turn out this good today. Especially as the first 2 hours, I don't think I caught anything. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a big one. Not as big as that biggest one, but it's good. Yeah, buddy. Well, one of the goals was definitely to try to use the bluegrass bug, and man, it's working. It is putting a hurting on these fish. Just a perfect size little creature size. That's about a 15-inch spotted bass. Oh my. Oh my. That was a big fish. I got distracted by something over here and he caught me under a log, I think. Man. I don't know if he was big or had me wrapped around a log, but I think he was pretty good size. What was it? Jumping. Oh, yeah. Oh. Steve, I just lost a big one. Dude, he was taking off. Oh, man. Man, great time on the water. Wish I'd have caught that last fish at the end. Coming up to the boat ramp, I hook into one and he started taking off. I tried to work him around to my other side of the kayak. He was peeling some drag and then popped off. That was a good probably 3-pounder, I'd say. Probably another nice spotted bass. They were munching good in the right section. I spent a couple hours, caught one fish. Then I come up this one stretch, probably 100-yard stretch, caught all my fish there, and it was a great time. This is a setup that I have a bunch that are this style. This is like my favorite setup for finesse fishing, Yumdinger, Hellgrammite, Ned rig, and now it's gonna pair well with the bluegrass bug. So this is a Lew's 610 medium extra fast. It gets really quick into the power. It's very sensitive at the end. This combo I haven't had long. I got it paired with a Shimano Vanford. I got this used, but this thing is so lightweight. This is about a $400 combo. So this is one of probably my nicest combos, but this is one of my most favorite ways to fish. And I plan on, always kind of throwing a creature bait, Yumdinger, Hellgrammite, and bluegrass bug. I kind of use those quite a bit. I have, I believe this is 15-pound, but I like to use 10 to 15-pound braid. I've gone through several ones. I'm pretty sure this is a Seagar 15-pound. It's very smooth casting. I have a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader line. That's about 6-8 foot, double uni knot. And this is what I used all day. Didn't have to change the lure. Currently I have a Z-Man 1/10 ounce, and I just got it weedless. The lure is very stretchy, very durable. You can stick it in. I actually broke the top part up here. Had so many catches, and then I flipped the lure around, fished it the other way. You can't really fish it wrong. And of course, if you didn't know, this is the bluegrass bug from Mule Fishing. This is a lure that I actually designed. It's something I wanted to see made, and Ethan took it, did some tweaks with it, and then there it is. It's a 2-inch Ned rig style, creature bait style. That's gonna be great, especially for clear water stuff. You can pair it with owner Z-Man works on it. This one's a one-off hook, 1/16 ounce jig head. I really like this hook a lot for the Yum Dingers. It's one of my favorite. But I really, any kind of weedless style hook I think will work good. Your weight, I like pretty lightweight. I even use this one 1/16. But I think a size 1 hook pairs really well with this. And that's what's on this Z-Man one there. Well, thanks so much for watching. You can guarantee you'll be seeing this used in a lot more videos. I'll be trying it so many different places, and I can't wait to really do like some wading, creek fishing. That's well, this whole setup is gonna be perfect for that. All right, thanks for watching.